Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, according to today's latest reports, the war that started 3 days ago in the Amhara region has now intensified. According to several reliable sources, the war in two places is currently underway in the Amhara region. On a B-22 highway, and the second war continues on A2 highway. Viewers, according to reports, on B-22 highway in Gashina and Debre Zabit and in their middle areas, the war between Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and Tigray Defense Force is becoming more intense. Heavy weapons are being used from both sides, and reports of heavy losses are being received in the ongoing war. Viewers, the complete report of the loss from this war has not yet been received. On the other hand, according to reports, heavy war has been going on for 3 consecutive days on the A2 highway. If you remember, I informed you several days ago that Tigray Defense Force on A2 highway is very strong. Tigray Defense Force is not giving any chance to Ethiopian National Defense Force on any side that they can get control of any area on the A2 highway that is under the control of Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, a few days ago, the Ethiopian National Defense Force tried its best to gain control over the Voldia or Massa located on the A2 highway, but no chance given by Tigray Defense Force because Tigray Defense Force is very strong with heavy weapons on the A2 highway. And now, the way the preparations were made by Ethiopian National Defense Force, a large number of soldiers were gathered, heavy weapons collected, were then attacked by Ethiopian National Defense Force 3 days ago on Tigray Defense Force on the A2 highway. And a heavy war has been going on for 3 days on the A2 highway in a row. And despite doing so much preparation by Ethiopian National Defense Force, no success has yet been achieved. A statement from Tigray Defense Force said they were defending themselves in the Ethiopian National Defense Force attacks and also responding to the attacks. Last month, Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed visited many countries, and the main purpose of these visits was to gather heavy weapons for the war, in which drones at the top. and Ethiopia has also ordered drones from many countries which are now being used against Tigray Defense Force in this war. According to reports, the Ethiopian army is currently being heavily bombarded in the Amhara region. According to reports from several sources, it seems that air war is much more than ground war, which means the heavy air strike is being done by Ethiopian Air Force at this time. But still, the Ethiopian army is not getting any clear victory in this war. Viewers, apart from this, according to the latest reports, heavy war has been started by Ethiopian National Defense Force in Kobo. Kobo is located near the Tigray-Amhara border in Amhara region. According to reports, heavy air strikes are being carried out by Ethiopian Air Force in Kobo. As I have already informed you that according to many senior journalists, the Ethiopian army does not have enough technology to use these modern drones in a perfect way. And due to these airstrikes, civilians face several difficulties. According to reports from sources, reports of more than 100 civilians casualties have been received from only 2 cities in Amhara region. Due to this growing war in Amhara region, thousands of new soldiers from Tigray Defense Force are being deployed in Amhara region. In this regard, many pictures are also shared by Tigray Defense Force in which thousands of Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen moving towards front lines in Amhara region. At that time, war in Amhara region has reached its extreme. Heavy weapons are being used from both sides, while heavy air strikes are also being carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force at war sites. And now, according to many sources, again curfew imposed in Dessie city. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.